So, Samsung's rugged smartwatch lineup has been interesting lately. The Galaxy Watch Ultra from this year showed up with a bit more storage and a slightly tougher attitude, but let's be honest, it didn't exactly blow anyone's socks off. It felt more like Samsung whispering, "Hey, we did something," instead of shouting, "Look what we've built." But now the plot thickens. Behind the scenes, Samsung's apparently cooking up something bigger, something with the codename Galaxy Watch 9 Ultra. And yeah, that name sounds like someone mashed two product lines together at 3 a.m., but don't get hung up on it. It's almost certainly going to launch as the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Here's the catch. You're not getting it in 2025. In fact, every reliable leak right now says Samsung is pushing the next rugged watch all the way to summer 2026. That means next year, no major Ultra update. Nothing. Samsung seems to be taking a page from Apple's playbook, spacing out its premium rugged models instead of dropping one every year. And this isn't random. Skipping 2025 apparently gives them time to make the Ultra 2 a much bigger jump. Not just a storage tweak or a shinier bezel, but something that actually feels new from the inside out. Think architecture-level changes rather than we added 0.1% more brightness. Most early whispers point to this thing being built heavily on the Galaxy Watch 9 platform. We don't have any spec sheets yet, but if Samsung is tying it to the Watch 9, you can expect upgraded health features, smarter AI integration, and a processor that finally feels a bit more future-proof. With Apple already pushing the Ultra 3 with the new S10 chip and all those AI fitness features, Samsung can't exactly afford another good enough refresh. Now, if you're wondering whether you should wait, honestly, the current Galaxy Watch Ultra is still a strong contender. Titanium body, reliable dual-frequency GPS, serious durability, and Galaxy AI health tools that are actually useful. It's not perfect, but it holds its own in 2025. So what do you want Samsung to nail with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? A bigger battery, better workouts, new sensors? Drop your wish list in the comments. I'll be reading them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.